To embroider a multiple trip herringbone stitch, mark 2 parallel lines and start with the first row of herringbone stitch. When positioning your stitches, keep in mind that you will be embroidering the stitch 3 times, so leave enough space for the rest of the stitches between your first row. After the row with first color is done, add the second color. These stitches are of the same size and go parallel to the first color stitches. Finally, add the third color. This row will fill in the gaps that are left between the stitches. The first version of a multiple trip herringbone stitch is slanting to the left. To make this row more balanced, I moved my stitch on the upper right half a mark to the right. The only thing that changed in this row is that I moved my upper stitches half a position to the right. All the other sequence is the same. After the first row is done, add the second color herringbone stitch on top. And finally, add the third color. It will fill the gaps and finish the look of the stitch. On the back side of a multiple trip herringbone stitch, you will see colorful back stitches.